So much for my...
So what is this doing? Just is throwing all the data that we have on there?
Basically, you do an erase disk step. Actually, I forgot to do something. Where's... I'll do it on this one. So when you plug it in and you boot up, you hold Option.
Wait, you hold 2 buttons or was it?
Yeah, Power and Option at the same time.
Okay.
Of course, it's not working. It's on there.
Oh.
Of course, I can't get it to work once. So
Option.
5 laptops. So Option, Power. Now, some of them won't boot because I don't know. The battery is so dead, and this might be one
Oh,
of
that
them.
it has to charge up a little
So
bit.
you hold it until you see that EFI boot, which
Okay.
is a USB boot,
Okay.
and
You put this on YouTube.
See, look, this one's
Yeah,
on.
okay.
and usually while I'm waiting for another one,
This one's
Get it
fine.
on.
I'll start the next one. Yeah, this one's not. Of course, I picked 5 bad ones. So Option, Power.
So would that be something when we go to the to Facebook to ask them to support, give them additional,
Yeah, you know,
or they can send.
if we can't get additional, I think I had asked for
Just waiting for
10 or 12 power supplies. So, and it has to boot to this
Okay.
OS loader and then terminal.
Documented.
Utilities and terminal. And then you put this batch file or bash file. And so it's disk util and erase disk. And I don't know if it has to be capital, but I always do capital.
just exactly what we see.
Pretty much, yeah, the exact same syntax. Let's see. HD disk 0 and enter. And after it runs through, if disk util not recognized, erase disk. Oh, I didn't put a space. So HD disk 0. And I think all this does is erase a disk, and once you're done, that's really it. Command Q.
When you said or this, so why?
Well, because the disk on one of those had been swapped out,
Okay.
and so it was no longer disk 0. It was an upgraded 250 gigabyte disk, and so it was disk 0 S2.
Oh, okay.
It was just the name. And really, after you do that batch file install, it just follows the prompts.
Okay. And you said each one takes about 20 minutes. You said.
About 25, yeah, because it has to do this like initial 6 or 7 minute preparing to install. This takes 6 or 7 minutes, and then
once the ones that you complete, what are you doing? What are you doing so we know that they're...
I'm removing the asset tag, and I'm cleaning it. So I have the cleaner over there. Some of them are really bad. These ones are clean, but some of them are really bad.
No, I mean, once you put them back there, how do we know which one? Oh, okay.
Putting them over
So-
there. So
But then the,
using the QuickBase to. Are you
Basically-
scanning them?
but the PCs are not gonna put the. Let's say once we.
Yeah,
put the
we'll
PCs
figure it out.
Okay, okay.
We'll figure it
So done ones are going in there. That's how it is for now.
Yeah, we remove the asset tag and put it on the sheet. So the asset tag from the bottom,
Yep.
I use my knife to get it off because it's really sticky. And I put it somewhere on here.
Okay.
And then the other thing we have to do is add the serial number to the QuickBase.
Did you? Oh, maybe I should
Move
add
it,
that.
move it to the asset tag, COD sheet.
Oh, okay.
Log as complete and put in the cage. And to log as complete, you check the box, system complete.
Oh, then we go back into QuickBase.
Yeah, go back in the QuickBase, and I'm adding the serial number. It's on this sheet on top, just in case, just to have it. It's right here.
Put them because when I was the few that I did, I put the Aztec, but I didn't.
Put the
Couldn't
serial number.
scan it.
Yeah, I just type it in. I think it's.
Okay.
I think that way we have a complete database.
Okay.
So
And
the work
then,
we do, we're logging in QuickBase.
well, then, yeah, on the iPad or the, you have it logged in. On an iPad or on, I do it on my computer. There's a QuickBase to log all these, and then when you hit System Complete, it determines the charge. Like we charge $12.50 for a refresh.
Yeah, but then I would have to find it. So, for example, how would I? Cause
Yeah, you just search.
Oh, okay. We just do
So
search.
if you're at Table 1, it lists all the assets, and you always have the search window.
Oh, okay.
And then I scan the asset tag, and it pops up to the top, the one that you're looking for.
So you
just use the scan.
Oh, you scan the Aztec and it's going to
Then
show
you can
up.
find
And
it.
then
You don't have to search. You just use the search window.
Okay.